In this video, I'll show you how to log into your Ticketmaster app on your mobile device. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, open up the Ticketmaster app on your mobile device. And now from here, you want to click onto next, 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 and then sign in or create account. Click onto that blue icon down below. And now what this is going to do, bring you into the sign in page. So type in your email address or password. If you haven't got an account, simply click on sign up. So I've got an account, so I'm going to log in here. Once you've done that, you can tick on remember me for faster access for next time, and then click on sign in. All right, you might be brought to this page here. It's time to update your password. So what you can do is just click on remember me and sign in again to skip this if you don't want to retype your password in. No, it's not allowing me. So what I need to do here is click on let's get you a new password. Click on save. So you need a new password. Let's get you a new one. Enter your email below to continue. I'm going to click on continue. And now it's going to send me a code to my email address. And then I'm going to put this code here. All right, here's my 6-digit code. I need to copy this code like so. And now head back to Ticketmaster. Paste the code here. Click on continue to confirm to continue. And now I've got to create a new password. And then click on reset password. Click on done. Once you've done that, you can put in your phone number too and click on next to give yourself an extra layer of security for your Ticketmaster account.